I haven't uploaded for a couple of days. I don't know why. I couldn't be bothered. But I just want to say, please buy my cars. My username is it's actually County Madam. Just please, please buy them for a video. I might do a video on it. I want a Polestar GTIR, a Nurse wants to know. And I'm really annoyed because I sold a car just unexpected to get like 20 miles from it. It was really exciting. I literally couldn't say anything about it. I have no words. Suddenly, it gave me a 500,000 credit fee. 500,000 credits. So I put a full racing Puma up for 2 million. A Sleeker for 900k. One of these, this one with my GTR LM for 468k. Volkswagen Type 3, 1600L for 220k. And a limo for 700k. So go buy them, please. Yeah, also I bought the James Bond car pack. Brilliant car pack. I recommend it if you don't have it. DB10 sounds amazing. Also DBS. I'll give you guys a little drive. Good car. So we got a little glitch.
Arrived at your destination.
Was anyone gifted the DBS? I got gifted this. This. And then I just put HREs on it and coded it. I'm gonna swap in the DB10. Okay, I'm having a big performance this time. And that's why they all look like this. It looks better than some cars released like this week or something. Looks better than the double 16. In my words, the upbeat speed is everything. Yeah, go wear my cars. It would help a lot. I'm just putting for a video. Oh, I haven't. Once the CFM device I edited this video. have a listen. So you can hear it. Have a listen to it. That sounds good. I do like the sound of that. It took me out. It sounds a bit like a rotor. Like an RX-7 or something. Good car pack. I recommend to people who don't have it.